port not straight.
No wonder your thing is at 99% GPU.
No,
There's 99% dust in there.
Okay.
There you go.
I pulled out. It's all black!
Every wire is black.
What's up, guys? Toma VTuber here. Tomato girl that likes to sing, scream, and never freaking shut up. Today we're gonna get a little silly with it. We're going to be finally building a new PC. We have a new model debut, and I tried it out with this PC and it almost exploded. The CPU was at 99% utilization and 90 degrees Celsius. But yes, we've got a new big fat PC case right here because we're going to be getting a new sexy, slutty, dirty graphics card, and it is none other than a 4070 Ti. So we're gonna shove that big bad boy into this big bad boy and get some wet gay. I'll stop talking, my editor's going to hate me. Other than that, we've got a couple friends of us here today. Right here we have Gil, aka Linstantnoodles. Yippee! Look how short he is, short king.
Wow.
Short in more than one way!
And then we also have a new friend right here. Everyone say hi to...
RazLol. I'm a League of Legends caster / analyst / interviewer. I do a lot of things there.
Surely nothing can go wrong. What? Little squarish, but it is pretty small. And then we've got the beloved hole in the back of my PC.
Computussy.
Why is the GPU port not straight? What are you talking about?
The side can easily come off.
Ooh, there it is.
Oh, and she's naked.
Oh, cover your eyes. Ah!
Why is it so dusty? Oh my god. There's like hair coming out from under the PC.
Hair? Toma, did you ever clean it?
No, I've never cleaned this since it was built. So it's been, I think, 2 years.
No wonder your thing is at 99% GPU.
No, it's fine.
There's 99% dust in there.
We got a dust family in there.
Oh my god.
Not bad.
We're evicting entire dust neighborhoods.
Oh. Okay, I'm assuming I shouldn't just try to pull it out.
Well, there should be like screws or whatever it's holding it in place.
Yeah.
Like a thing you can push down, it'll release. Okay, how about take out the cables first? Let's start easy.
Let's start simple.
Start with the cable.
Can I pull it out?
Yes, pull it
How do
out.
I pull it out?
What do you mean by that?
Tomo does not know how to pull out, guys.
It's out.
Oh, there we go.
It's out.
Okay.
There you go.
I pulled out. Alright.
Very good, very good. So,
Then-
like underneath where it pinches to the motherboard.
Oh my god. Wait. I can do this. Do you need help, please ask? No! I need to do this by myself. I only have 3 lifelines. It literally didn't even work.
It did work. Like I did find the thing that I was talking about, but it's still like the GPU is still stuck. It's connected on like the thing here.
What the hell you say?
Like this screw here.
Wait, no, this is not responsible for it. This is just the plastic.
They're all saying yes.
Oh, okay, never mind.
Alright, there we go. We have our first piece down.
Huge.
Little screw over there.
Okay. Ah, yeah, it is latched.
What do I have to do now?
Yeah, actually, this is still the continuation of the first lifeline, so.
Okay.
Oh, it's coming out.
Whoa!
She did it.
So, what's next on the menu?
I would say more cables.
We get more
Yeah,
cables.
the more cables we remove, the better.
6.5 hours later.
You are really struggling with this.
This is the first screw.
Why is it so tough?
Wait, it's not supposed. Is it loose?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. That's it.
Oh, I thought I was supposed to take it all the way out.
No, those things don't come all the way out.
What? The ones on my old PC came all the way out.
Yeah, but this is like one of those doors where like it just needs to be loose and it pops out.
I didn't know that.
Oh, this one did come out.
Oh, so they don't come out,
He
huh?
told me that.
Well, she was screwing for years. What are you talking about? I could have. Guys, look, I could have had another baby by the time you kept screwing. I trusted you that these are the screws that don't come out, and I was like, okay, surely it's not because she's weak.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Oh my god!
Whoa!
Jesus Christ!
Calm down!
Oh, no need to Hulk out. Jeez,
Oh my
okay,
god,
Marvel
man.
Rivals.
I got so scared. I almost ducked forward to grab it.
This is about to happen all over again. I can't.
Okay, don't. You're gonna kill her.
There you go.
Okay, this one came much more predictably. Holy shit. I feel like we need to send you to a nursing home. I'm not that old yet, okay? Relax. Chill out. Anyways, First step would be the power supply. Motherboard. Oh, everyone said motherboard first.
I think most people do motherboard first,
You
but
guys are boring. Okay, we'll do the motherboard first. Motherboard.
the big,
Do we put it
the
here
big
or
black
here?
box. Motherboard is gonna go on the. It's gonna be vertically
Oh,
mounted.
like this way.
So yeah, you're gonna want to lay the case on the side.
Ugh. Okay. So where does that go? Like right here?
There should be holes to line up where the motherboard will be. I'm guessing,
The big gaping hole?
yeah, the big gaping hole is where it would be. Oh, do standoffs first. Yes.
What is a standoff? Plastic pieces that keep you from shorting out your motherboard. So
Yeah.
the motherboard isn't sitting on metal.
Yeah.
What is a standoff?
Are these might be the standoffs?
Oh, you know what? I'm looking at the manual.
Yeah, get with the
Oh,
manual.
yeah, that might be a good idea. Okay, let's
Yeah,
do
this
the
is when we
paper.
start looking at the manual.
Yeah.
Here's your motherboard.
Yay!
Do you want to clean it?
Oh, yeah.
Do we have
Oh,
a
shit! I cannot touch that part! Wait 1 second.
dangling?
How do I clean it? How do I clean it?
You're just slanging it. We don't have a duster.
Soap and water.
A blow, like a duster, a blow thing would work.
Can I just blow on it from the side? I'm gonna blow out on it.
Huh?
What direction should I put it in? The holes go at the back. What? Face the ports towards like this?
No, the back.
This
The back is here, guys.
This way? Is this the right direction?
I think so.
You think so?
Well, like the fan in that direction.
Oh, this way.
Yeah.
Yes. That is, yes.
Yeah.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
There
There it is.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
Perfect.
It's in.
Yep, Gil is an expert.
Cool. Nice.
It does say to connect the cables for front I/O.
Okay, nice.
Maybe
There's
we
a lot
do
of
that.
cables over here.
Maybe we do that later.
Later?
Just because I think it's gonna be on the other side.
Okay. We're so back.
Should be the last. Yeah.
Does it fit like that? You just slide it in.
Yeah, maybe it should be better. Whether it fits or not, we're about to find out.
Okay.
Yeah, not that.
Here, who's gonna have trauma associated
Oh,
with it?
true.
Get in there! Why are there so many? Oh my god. Come out.
You can't just tell somebody to come out.
2025, don't be scared.
Oh, it's in there! Alright, the step box is not stuck anymore. We're good.
Yep, that's how you do it.
Nice.
Well done.
Ally. Okay, now we put the frame back in?
Okay, it's about that time.
Oh yeah. I just joined in. What am I hearing?
Guys, hit each other right now! Right now!
Yeah, you're right. I think everything we've kind of done.
So let's just put the cables?
Yeah. Do you want to do the cables now, or do you want to do the
Cables now, because GPU should be last.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so this is where the audio goes through, but I just don't know which cable's
Yeah,
audio.
which cable? What cables are
They
there?
all look the fucking same.
There's option number 1, that's like 4 things. Option number 2 with a fork. And those are the only options?
Nope. And then there's option number 3, which is exactly like option number 2.
Option number 3, that's longer, but has the fork.
Yeah.
What are we thinking, guys? All of those cables are incorrect. There should be another one.
Flashback.
It does say to connect the cables for front I/O.
End of flashback.
Apparently, the HD audio cable is colored.
Color.
It's all black!
Every wire is black.
Oh, you can't do that. That's not what I meant. Oh my god. What? Is it colored? Does it have the right shape?
It was stuck under the power supply. I'm gonna lose my.
Cables for front I/O.
I'm gonna lose my mind.
Gonna make lose it.
I'm gonna make freaking lose it.
Oh!
This was under the power supply.
Oh
The
my
en-
god!
Okay, and then this goes here.
A few years later.
So now we have this little funny cables, and then I think we want to lay this flat
Yeah,
while installed.
yeah.
What? Wait, does it go this way?
I'm just checking to see if. I'm just checking to see if.
No. It goes this way. Like the metal part should face the outside.
Is that what the little top thingies are?
So it should face this.
Are these shields? The fans face downwards. Okay.
Yeah, fans should be down, which is this way.
Okay.
This way is down.
So you need to take the top 3 off. I took these off. Also, remove any
Clint?
stickers. Pew is
I
a
love you.
2.5, so you need to take off the top 3. Okay, so Gil is wrong. Everyone point and laugh at him.
Clint is our goat. Honestly, the cable management complaint is getting a little more accurate.
Here,
Is it a-
hold. I'll move this.
Yes, Toma, that's how it connects to the motherboard. I didn't know. I'm learning.
You should hear a click when it goes in.
Take off the plastic on the connector.
The connector.
Where's the connector? The rubber bits? Where the PCIe pin is. Not those. You see the plastic cover on the GPU?
This?
Take the cover
Oh,
off.
this.
Supposed to take that out?
Yes,
Oh!
yes, that.
Oh, we stink again.
Are the cables good?
We will have to redo, or
Oh.
it's like a little tight around some areas.
It's just tight.
Oh.
I think the last thing is to connect the cable. Like, maybe we like remove some of the cables so it's not like.
Wait, what was this? What was this? It came with the GPU.
For the power?
Oh, did we have to plug in another cable earlier too? Did we do that already? To the GPU?
No, we did not.
Oh, where is that?
Just line it up. Line it up.
I'm like scared to push it too much.
Hold the GPU and press it inside with some pressure.
Okay, I think it's. Yeah, now it's in. Like, you see how there's no like space between the two
Gotcha,
plastics?
gotcha. Cool. Sick! So we did it!
Thanks a lot, guys.
Woo!
Oh god.
But oh my god, guys, that was a journey. That was
was
an
a
adventure.
journey.
Oh
Oh
man.
my
Thank you
goodness.
guys for coming along. Oh yeah.
This was indeed, and I appreciate you guys in the chat. Really, I really appreciate you guys in the chat.
Oh my gosh. But thank you guys so much for coming along with me for the PC journey.
If you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to check that notification bell. I'll see you next time. Toma out!